and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a really pretty set of colorful summer nails. So as you can see, we've already done the acrylic application. This video would just be strictly on the polish and nail art. So first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with a few different colors, and these two are actually by D&D. The orange one is in the color Dutch Orange, and then this neon yellow is in the color Lemon Juice. Again, both of those are by D&D. I get these from my local nail supply store. But there is a website called Princess Nail Supplies, I believe, that sells them for very cheap as well. I believe they're no more than $7.50, I believe, but I'll be sure to leave the link in the description. And then this pink is one of my favorite pinks right now. This is in the color Fuchsia Touch, also by D&D, and all of these are the gel polishes. We're gonna go ahead and cure that hand. And for the other hand, the first color that I'm using is by GLAM in the color Fresh Me Up. And as always, I will be sure to leave the link in the description as well as the promo code. And for the ring finger, we're going to go, the middle finger, we're going to go in with the color Purple Flower. This one is by D&D as well. Alrighty, so for this one, we're going to do the Fuchsia Touch by D&D. And then, of course, we're going to go through and do 2 coats of each color. And then also on the fingers that I just left plain, I'm going to be using the transfer foil on those. So, you know, for those, we're going to need the glue. So eventually you will see me apply the glue on those nails. Okay, so after we finish doing the 2 coats on both hands and curing them, we're going to go ahead and use those same gel polishes, and we're going to be outlining the perimeter of the nail, or actually just the tip, in different colors. And I'm going to use a different color on each nail. And then the small brush that I'm using is just a small nail art brush. These were the same ones that I had on my website. And then I also had the nail polish plate, so I will have those back on there next time that it's up and running. As you guys know, it was up for an entire week, and thanks to you all, it sold out once again, which I'm very thankful for. But I will be keeping you guys updated for next time that it's up. But again, we're just outlining the tip of the nails, and then of course we're gonna have to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so before we cure them, we're going to go ahead and apply the foil glue on the pinky and the index finger. And this you can just find on Amazon if you go on there and just type in transfer foil glue and it'll pop up. But that one, you know when it's dry because it turns clear. So just do a thin coat of the glue on the nail and then it'll dry clear. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do this hand as well. Again, we're just outlining the tip of the nails, and then we're doing the foil glue on the ring finger on this hand and the thumb. Alrighty, so now that the glue is dry, I'm going to go ahead and just dab the foil on the nail. As you can see, the glue was already clear, so that means that it was dry, and we literally just dabbed the foil on the nail. After that, we're going to go in with our hard gel. We're going to apply it on the nail, and then we're going to go in and just apply some of those big 3D bling on the nail, and these will be on my website next time that it's up and running. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about them, and I was finally able to get them up on the website. But again, this is the same hard gel that I also sell on the website, and that will be up on there as well. But as always, we just do a bead of that glue right in the middle, or the hard gel right in the middle, and apply the bling on there. And then now I'm going in with the Soleil gel resin that I've been testing out, and I did a pearl on the ring finger, or sorry, on the middle finger, and then we're gonna do some bling on the cuticle area on this ring finger. And then this one does have to be sprayed with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, and I'll be sure to leave that down in the description as well. So same thing for this hand. We're going to do the bling around the cuticle area on the middle finger. We're going to do the pearl right in the middle on the other nails. And then on the ring finger and the thumb, we're going to do the foil. And then on the ring finger, we're going to do the bling. Alrighty, so again, we pick up a bead of the hard gel, place it on the nail. We're gonna just apply the big pieces right on top of that hard gel, and then also just apply more hard gel as you need it. But usually I just do one bead and then I just add more. And I'm using my Mia Secret gel brush to do this, and then I also use that same brush to clean up the polish around the cuticle area, just because I realized that the Mia Secret one that I got was actually the wrong size. Usually I use the number 6 and the number 4 was a little too small. But anyways, once everything is cured and the glue has dried on this nails, we're gonna go ahead and apply the top coat. And this time I am using my Madam Glam Gel Top Coat, and it is a non-cleanse top coat. And we're just applying that on all of the nails, and then of course we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty, really summerish. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNo32, and I'll see you guys next time.